Hey peeps, coming at you today with some Shirley Temple curls. So the products I'm going to be using is for my leave-in conditioner is Eden Body, the coconut shea leave-in conditioner, and I washed my hair with the Eden shampoo and deep conditioner. So now what I'm going to do is just put some of the leave-in conditioner on my hair. I've sectioned them in 2 sections, and then I'm going to put my favorite oil in my hair. So right now I'm just massaging it into my hair, making sure I get those ends. And then I'm going to put it in on the second section of my hair and make sure it's fully distributed. And now I'm going to take my wild hair growth oil and just put it on both sections as well. And I am going to section my hair in quadrants just to make sure I get enough oil on all sections, especially the end. Get those ends. I told you my hair dries fast, you guys. Look, it's drying already. And I just got through washing it. And making sure I coat the last section. So I have 2 sections left. I'm just gonna take my Denim brush and run through this section, put my favorite cream on there from Nouvo, my CoCo Castor pudding, and just run it through the ends and throughout my 2 sections. And I'm going to make sure I get them in again with my Denim brush. And then I'm going to show you how I curl the last 2 sections. I wasn't sure if I wanted to split them up into 4 sections or 2, but yeah. And in the first section I had to go back over it because I felt like I didn't have enough product. And like I said, you want to make sure you get those ends, girl. Get those ends. Alright, so I got that in, and I will be back to show you how I curl my hair. Okay peeps, time to roll my hair. Now do you guys remember back in the day Wrap, Snap, and Go? They had the little snap buttons on the ends, and you just snap them together at each end. They were called Wrap, Snap, and Go, I think. I've had these forever. So because they do so well in my hair, I decided to keep them, but just add some satin to them after I became natural, because of course, you know, they're made of cotton, and that's a no-no when it comes to natural. So I put satin around there, and I just slid them through. I just made a hole and pushed them through some satin fabric, and that's pretty much it. I only really use the middle part of the roller anyway. So what I'm going to do is use my rat tail comb and section a hair. I think I'm going to do 3 because, you know, I like my side part. So I'm going to make a side part and just put one at the very top. So just taking my roller and just wrapping my hair tightly around the roller, making sure my ends are tucked, and just rolling it up and snap. There you have it. So I'm going to do the same thing on my last 2 sections. I couldn't decide whether if I wanted to divide them again or not, or do 2 more sections. it was so late and I was so indecisive. I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do one. So again, just wrapping my hair taut around the roller, tucking my ends and rolling it tightly up against my hair, and snap. There you go. Like the bend and snap. You guys tell me in the comments, do you know what movie that's from? So wrap it around, tuck my ends, bend, and snap. You guys, it's late and I'm tired. I'm really tired. So I'm gonna take my oversized bonnet. Why I use my oversized bonnet, I don't know, because this happened. Yeah. So I just use that and I am going to bed. Good night, peeps. Good morning, beautiful people. It is time for the big reveal. So let's take off this large bonnet that I decided to put on my hair for whatever reason. I have no idea. But yeah, it feels dry. Okay, I'm good. The back, I think the one in the back doesn't feel very dry, but you know what? We've got places to go, so let's just go ahead and do it and unravel. But I just wanted to show you the product that I use. It always gives my hair such shine and definition. Now this part, it is not completely dry, but it is what it is. I'll just have to deal with it. But for the most part, the remainder of my hair is dry. The definition, the shine, I love it. I know it looks like it's still wet, but it's not one. This one is completely dry. The only one that was still a little damp was the one at the very bottom in the back. And see, the more I do this style, my hair is getting longer. I can't do it like I used to back in the day because my hair is getting longer and there's only so much little Shirley Temple you can get when your hair gets longer. And there's the last one, completely dry. There you have it, my little Shirley Temple curl shake. So I'm just gonna start to unravel the curls. This one on the back is just a lost cause. Nothing I can do about it. I have to go out and I'm not about to put it back up in the curler, so I'll figure out a way to manage that. But I'm going to unravel the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to unravel a little bit more and then I'm going to get my pick and start to fluff it out and do some kind of design with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but yeah, I definitely need to fluff out the back and the front a little bit. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I had to go and get my pick and I did put a pin on the side and just kind of took some edge tamer and just did a little bit of my edges, but I don't want to pick too much. I basically want to pick at the root just to fluff out the hair a little bit because I don't want to elongate the curls. I want them to be short Shirley Temple curls. So I tried my best to use my pick to fluff out the roots as much as possible. So like I said, the back of my hair, it was still pretty damp, so there really wasn't anything I could do about that unless I just pinned it up a little bit. But this is pretty much it. This is not the best Shirley Temple style that I've done, but this is the one that was requested the most. So I decided to go ahead and do it for you guys, and this is how I obtained that hairstyle. So let me just give you a view of the back. There's a lot of definition, a lot of shine, a lot of curl. I really do hate that the bottom didn't tighten up like it normally does, but you know, it is what it is sometimes. So that's it. There you have it. So that's my little Shirley Temple look. I hope you guys like it. Be careful out there, you guys. I love you. There's my little Shirley Temple shade. So again, guys, just be safe out there. Be careful. I'm about to run into the streets too. So share, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later.